Hello students, today I am here to explain chapter 9 of your class 8th literature book. The name of the chapter is The Bet and it is written by Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov's The Bet is a powerful short story published in 1889. The story is about a banker and a lawyer who makes a bet with each other about the death penalty versus life in prison. In the story, each wrestles with the idea of which is better or worse, and the culmination is a twist ending. The story opens with the banker remembering a bet he made nearly 15 years earlier with a lawyer. The banker was hosting a party and there started a debate. The topic of the debate was whether life in prison or death would be more humane. They agreed on a bet of 2 million rubles to see if the lawyer could spend 15 years in solitary confinement. The lawyer put himself into isolation. From here, we begin to see the transformation of the lawyer. At first, he suffers. He is depressed and severely lonely. This state, however, gives way to a period of great learning and self-reflection. In the last 2 years of his isolation, he returns to the science and philosophy. While this is happening, the banker's fortune declines. He realizes towards the end of the lawyer's confinement that he will be unable to pay the bet. So he makes a plan to kill the lawyer so he will not have to pay the debt. However, on his way to carry out his plan, he finds a note written by the lawyer. In the note, the lawyer explains that his time in isolation has changed him. The banker is moved. He is relieved that he does not have to carry out his plan, although the lawyer technically won the bet by proving he could survive 15 years of solitary confinement. This story touches on the idea that confinement can fundamentally change who a person is. In death, there is no chance for this great change, but confinement might give a person a chance to have a transformation of character. One interesting theme is the idea of experience. The lawyer claims that through his confinement, he was able to read about all manner of human experiences. It is a strange transformation. And one we do not expect. Chekhov leaves it up to the reader to decide if the lawyer has wasted some of the best years of his life or if he has transformed for the better. The clear thing is that this transformation saved his life when the banker changed his mind. Another fundamental theme of the story is that of life and death. An implicit theme of the story is that of humanity. In the beginning, both the banker and the lawyer make a critical bet based on money. On the surface, the lawyer seems to experience a transformation of character, but we are unsure if his transformation is a positive one. Chekhov makes no move to answer that, and it is up to the reader to decide if the sacrifice has been worth it. Overall, the story is an interesting insight into what desires drive humanity and what sorts of things we are willing to do for material gain. It also calls into question our relationships with those around us, insinuating that extreme isolation. Today, I hope all of you must have understood the story. Thank you. Have a nice day.